Hey guys, so we're just gearing up for the annual Cranbrook Kimberley 4x4 toy drive. And I don't know if you guys remember from last year, but typically after we drop off the toys, we'd all meet on the trail, and we all know this year is different, so the actual organized trail run portion of this is canceled. We're still gonna participate. We got a whole bunch of toys generously donated by Alpine Toyota, and then we're gonna meet with our crew and go hit the trails. Alright, so the toys are dropped off and we are out in the bush, joined by Boy in the 85, Corey of course, and Skylar. Let's get on it, or get with it. Let's go! Alright, well the 85 is stuck. Well actually, apparently not actually stuck, but he's in the ditch in a predicament. We think he can drive straight out. So yeah, let's see how that works. Bump it. Oh, yeah. Go higher. Hey guys, just interrupting the video real quick to remind you to smash that like button. And hey, if you don't mind subscribing, that would be great too. Now, let's watch Skylar hit the same line Boy just did in the 85. Alright, so we're cruising along, and the snow is just getting better and better. In fact, we're starting to get a little bit stuck here and there. But we came across this really neat, really old, barely clinging to life cabin. Yeah, let's check it out.
on www.dirtgarage.ca. Wheel it, break it, fix it, repeat. You know, the typical Toyota wheeling lifestyle. There you go. So as you can see, Skylar went into the ditch here, and yeah, now he's stuck, so the 85's hooked up, and yeah, let's get him out of here. So we were making moves and finally getting into really good snow, and then all of a sudden this thing started running like a complete bag of turd. I don't know what happened, but I disconnected a battery terminal, let the ECM reset, and then it ran better. It would at least run. It got me back down, and now it seems to be running just fine. But to be safe, we're heading back now anyways, and we actually don't have a whole lot of daylight left. So now it's time to make moves out of here. Anyways guys, that about wraps up this week's episode of Dirt Garage, and I hope you enjoyed it. Anyways guys, if you like stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. I upload Toyota building, wheeling, off-roading content weekly. Thank you Alpine Toyota for your generous donation of toys that we dropped off earlier in this video. And hey, that's about it. Catch you guys next week.